If you're a woman 45, 50, 65, maybe even 70, you might be wondering what is the best exercise that you can be doing to stay fit, be healthy, increase your vitality and your longevity. Well, I'm going to share with you a little bit of my journey and what I've learned along the way. Hi, Robin here with Lean, Healthy, Ageless, and one of the co authors of the Eat, Live, Thrive diet book. I don't know about you, but it can be kind of confusing on what is the best workout, especially for us women as we're aging. We really need to take a few things into consideration. Well, for me, I had always done a strength training workout at home. I really liked to use heavier weights, but they were free weights. And I thought I was doing really well. Actually, I did this for many, many years. But as I hit menopause, I started getting persuaded to try some other types of workouts that were supposed to help me hormonally. So I did. I switched. And about a year ago, I changed what I was doing and I started doing more of the HIIT workouts, high intensity interval training. And I'm sure they have a place for some people, but what I found for me is I was using a lot of body weight. I was going at max intensity. I did let myself recover, but I wasn't using those heavy weights anymore. And within about a year's time, I got to tell you, my body changed shape a little bit and it got softer. And that really concerned me. I was not happy about that. And I said, oh gosh, I wish I hadn't stopped doing what I was doing. But I decided to look again at how I could get that muscle back quickly and safely. Speaking of muscle tone and muscle for women aging, actually for all people aging, do you know that we're actually losing about 10 pounds of muscle per decade? So your metabolism is, you think it's slowing down, but the reason is because you're losing muscle. We need muscle on our body. It's the only thing that gives us the capacity, the ability to burn the calories, to burn fat. So if we're losing muscle just naturally, we need to do strength training to build that muscle, to protect it and build it back up. Well, like I said, I had made some changes and disappointed a year later looking at what my results had been. I'm like, I got to get back to this. So I actually looked into and decided to do a free trial with this company called The Perfect Workout. Now, I actually have some history with The Perfect Workout. About, oh gosh, 23 years ago, I had connected with the owner. At that time, he had one location. It was just starting out. And we were in a networking group together. And I decided to give his workout a try. And I trained with him. I honestly don't even remember how long. Was it a month, 6 weeks, 3 months? I can't remember. It's so long ago. But all I know is I got very good results very, very quickly. I could see my muscle definition. I could feel my strength improving. I think at the time, there was a few things that came up in my life that didn't allow me to continue working out with the perfect workout. But now, 23 years later, I'm like, I want to go check it out again. So I did my free trial and I was like, yes, I want to do this again. The perfect workout uses this super slow motion, high intensity training, meaning really, really, really heavy weights. And it's done in a very slow motion method. So it's super safe. You're not jolting any of your joints. You're working with a personal trainer. So they're helping you get really correct form. And the workout is about 20 minutes. And so I just want to invite you along on my journey to see a little bit about how this strength training program works, what my results are going to be. I know they're going to be good because I got good results before. By the way, if any of you find this type of workout interesting and want to see if it's for you, you can do the same thing that I did and you can set up a free trial workout with them. I'm providing you a link, so just click on that link to get your free trial. And you can go to any of their locations. Like I said, they have 70 locations throughout the United States. And for those of you that are not in a area where they have a local workout studio, they do have Zoom sessions available with their personal trainers for you. So click the link to get your free trial. Okay, here we go. I'm at the perfect workout. See what we're doing. Hi,
hey.
that's Nicole.
Hi, Robin.
It's my new trainer.
Woo!
We're getting ready to start.
That's right, I'm excited.
Here's all the equipment. We do about 8 different machines per workout. There's nobody else in here. I imagine at times there might be a couple people working out at the same time.
Okay, as slow as you can. Keep that pace really slow. Good, we're gonna come back for a full 10 seconds. Good. Let's get a really slow and smooth transition here at the bottom. So you're gonna come all the way back, barely touch, driving forward through your heels. Come on, you got this. Keep pressing. A little bit more. Press, press, press. Right here, turn, coming down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Keep going. Okay, so shoulders down, core braced. Keep those shoulders pinched behind you, and then you're going to start driving forward through those palms. There you go. Nice. Keep pressing, keep pressing. Come on, get a little bit further here. Shaky. There you go. And turn. 10, 9, 8. Look at those triceps. Okay, coming all the way back. All the way. Going a little bit further. We want to barely touch this weight stack. Right there, press. Keep those shoulders down, core braced. Drive it forward. Here you go. All right, so don't let the shoulders roll over as you move down. Yep, just extending the arm a little bit lower, keep going, barely touch, let's move up. 1. Nice. Go all the way down, a little bit lower. Right there, brace your core and pull. Think of bringing your chest up to that bar. Right here, pull that belly button in, round forward. Good, chest to there. Right there's good.
So that was good. Was in there for about, I don't know, 20 minutes. My glutes at one point, they were burning so much, but the trainer's so good because she pushes you to just keep pushing, even if it's just like a teeny little inch. I'll tell you what, that was a great workout. I am fatigued, had a little bit of shakiness in my muscles going. Of course, with all exercise, there's lots of benefits, but with this specific super slow motion, high intensity workout, it's been proven at the perfect workout that you will increase strength, you'll increase muscle mass, you'll also increase bone density. Many people have a reduction in arthritic pain or back pain, stress levels going down, of course, fat loss. The more muscle you have, the faster your metabolism is going to be because you have more muscle to burn more fat. I think one of the best things that I have found and that I know to be true about the workout is that you do feel really safe with it because it being so slow. You just are not going to be putting yourself in a position to injure yourself like you would with a fast motion workout. And I believe that the results for me in the past were much quicker than using traditional free weights. I do want to invite you to try it out for yourself. I'm providing you with a link attached to this page that will allow you to click on and sign up for a free trial workout. It costs you nothing. Be sure to use that link to get the trial so that it's free for you. I'm going to keep you up to date with my progress, my strength progress, as well as my inch loss. And if I have any weight loss, I'm not really looking for weight loss, but it definitely would help with weight loss if that's one of your goals too.